Class, welcome to week 12. We get to jump into social media this week, a key component of any marketing strategy, excuse me, for your online business. So first we'll cover social media for SEO. Next we'll cover an introduction to social networking. These two themes are very, very similar, and I will get into the details, but you can think of social media for SEO as your broad social media strategy. And then introduction to social networking will focus you down into specific platforms or a specific platform for your business. So first we'll jump into your prepare assignment for the social media for SEO. And there's a lot of readings here that teach you how to effectively use SEO for your business. SEO is how to use social media. Social media is something that will make or break your marketing scheme, in the sense that you can use it as a platform to really connect with your customer base or potential customer base. If it's used ineffectively or in the wrong way, it can get you negative press pretty quick. So keep that in mind. You want to be fun, you want to be interactive, you also want to be professional and appropriate at all times. Social media has essentially become the process by which you humanize your business. You interact with customers, you post things that are funny, that are engaging, and you show people that you're not just a building, a corporation, whatever that old mindset or concept is of a business. You show them the personality behind the business, and that's really what you'll want to use that social media platform for. And you need to strike a good balance. Humor can be taken the wrong way. It can be taken as offensive if it's sort of edgy, and it can get you into hot water with a potential customer base. But it can also be one where if you are genuine and sincere and kind and uplifting, then that will show through and it will give your business a personality. So after the readings and the videos, you'll write a one-page essay for this assignment. So describe your social media optimization plan, short-term and long-term goals, and then explain how you'll measure your success. I love that second question in this, because there's so many things we do in business, and unless we sit down and really measure it, it feels like you're spinning your wheels a lot. And you'll find that in any job function you have. Day to day, I'm working in healthcare administration rather than web business, and we run into that same question all the time. We have a new initiative, something that needs to change, but how will we measure it is often the key question. So the next section will be an introduction to social networking, and here you'll get into a social media marketing plan, and that plan really is key to using this effectively. Again, as we move from social media for SEO is talking more strategically, this is more more into the weeds of what will that plan actually look like. And the essence of this assignment is to, one, list 4 social media sites on which you can market your site, and then choose one of those media sites that you listed and explain the specific steps you could take to market your website. So there are a lot of options here, and I hope this really gets the juices flowing. The videos up there, there's additional readings down here that can help you. But again, as I mentioned before, creativity is key here. You want to relate to your customer base. You want to show your personality, and doing so with a plan ahead, a specific strategy, a specific intent will be very helpful. As you consider the platform most effective for your business, I encourage you to do some research on demographics. what demographic are you appealing to with your business? Are you appealing more towards women, more towards men? Are you appealing towards an older demographic or a younger demographic? That will drive which platform you use. For example, Pinterest has a stronger female presence than male. Facebook is going to appeal to uh, an older generation versus a younger generation who would be more on TikTok per se. So it what platform you use will depend on your key demographic or your core demographic for your business. So consider that a little bit as you look at platforms. You could just go by size of the platform, and Facebook and Twitter are probably going to lead that as far as sheer number of users. But anyway, consider those different things as you think about an appropriate social media platform for your business. So that will be about it. You'll have your project for submission. Please don't forget that one this week. That is involved and engaged. If you're watching this at the beginning of the week and you have not started on this, please start right away, as this is one that it does take time to fill out the spreadsheet for Project 4, but it takes a lot of time in the sense of days or weeks to gather the data for Project 4, and that's I hope you've all seen that in the week 10 video that I posted. But if you have not been through those instructions in detail, please do so right away. And then you'll have your reflection for week 12. So that's it. Please reach out if there are any questions or concerns about social media, social platforms. I'd be happy to go in depth with you on those topics as needed. Thanks, everyone.